All right, so I want to show you the different options that you have in the settings for your gift cards. So let's go to marketing. I'm sorry, payments. We're going to go to payments on the menu here on the left. Then we have our option here for gift cards here at the top. All right, so we're in here and we have our different gift cards that we have in here. Now you can change the view of this. Right now, you're able to view it in a card mode or block mode. If you want it as a list, if you see here on the right where my cursor is, you'll see that you can change this button to the list, which is on the right. So here's, you still get that image of what it looks like, the gift card name, the category that you can place it in as well too. And then we have how many units have been issued, so how many have been purchased. And then we have our denomination, so how much they're worth. So the different options that you provide people for what they're worth for, whether they're active or not, because you can deactivate it, what date they were created on, and then their expiration dates as well too. So on the right, we have our actions. These are the same actions that are also on the bottom of the card version as well too, or block version. So we have our edit version if we ever need to edit. We have our send button when we want to send them out. And then we have our sell button when we want to provide a link or get a link to sell them to our clients or customers. We have our QR code. If you want to share a QR code, here's what the QR code looks like. If you want to share from the QR code, here is also a copy of the code that you can sell. If you want to issue the gift card as well too, or share it, you can share it by clicking on the share link here. It will provide you with another link, a QR code, a button to copy the link as well too, if you want to copy that. Um, and then the different ways that you can actually share them. So this is from my computer, so it's giving you the different ways that you can actually share this particular link. If you want the QR code, you just click on the option for the QR code and it'll take you to that and you can um, scan that option. Okay. For the download, if you want to download the QR code, you can do that as well too. The gift card just takes you back to the share screen. So then you can enter in that information for the share screen whenever you need to send it out to a specific person. Let's go back to the list view. We also had the deactivate button here. The deactivate button just turns off the gift card so no one can use it, but it still remains here so it doesn't delete it. If you want to delete it, you have to click on the trash can, which is the red button here with the trash can, and it'll give you the option to just delete it completely. Um, for the edit button, we do have a video that goes over how to edit, how to send, and how to sell as well too. The edit button just takes you actually through the steps, the original steps that you had already been through before, where you've already completed all of the card details, the description, the expiration date. If you want to add a link as well too, so if you want to add it to a specific page, you can do that. It'll take you to there in the terms and conditions. If you want to add denominations on here, you can do that as well too. And then the quantity of how many that you want to be able to be released for sale as well. And then for taxes, if you want to add taxes on there. So it's the same thing as what you would see on that very last screen of the design when you're actually setting it up. Okay. Now, here in the upper portion of here, we have our search bar. So if you have plenty of gift cards that are in here, you can also click on the search bar to search through which one you're specifically looking for. And then we have our status button here that tells you which ones you want to select. Is it active or deactivated? And then our denominations, that's just the amount that the card is worth. So if you're looking for a specific amount, you just type in that amount and it'll type in that specific card. All right. And then again, if you need to create another gift card that is here in the upper right-hand corner, if you need to select through the different pages of gift cards, it'll load up to 10 for as the default, and then you can select through 20 30, 40, and 50 for the amounts that you can see per page. And then you can select the next button to get through the different pages. All right. So those are the setting options for the gift cards.